What began as a quiet drive home on a Sunday night ended in a tragedy for a 34-year-old woman in Sebokeng Zone 12. A moment of a car trouble turned fatal when she was confronted by an armed suspect during what police believed was an attempted hijacking. According to the police, this incident occurred on the evening of Sunday, 9 November 2025, when the victim's vehicle suddenly experienced mechanical problems. She pulled over and tried to call for help. While waiting for assistance, an unknown armed man reportedly approached her car, knocked on the window with his pistol, and ordered her to step out. The suspect allegedly tried to start the car but was unsuccessful. He then forced the woman to start it herself. As soon as the engine started, the victim attempted to flee. A desperate act of courage that would sadly cost their life. Moments later, several gunshots rang out. The suspect fired multiple times, striking the woman in the back as she tried to escape. The vehicle then veered off the road and crashed into a nearby tree. Emergency medical services were called to the scene, but despite their efforts, the woman was declared dead upon arrival. She had sustained multiple gunshot wounds. Police spokesperson confirmed that the suspect fled on foot after the shooting, leaving the vehicle behind. A case of murder and attempted hijacking had been opened, and investigations are still ongoing. The woman's body was taken to the Forensic Pathology Services for further investigation. The Sebokeng community has been left heartbroken and fearful following this brutal killing. Residents have taken to their social media to express their sorrow and outrage, describing the victim as a loving, hardworking individual whose life was cruelly cut short. This tragic event highlights the growing safety concerns for motorists, especially women traveling alone at night. Police have reminded the public to remain cautious and, whenever possible, to seek help through verified roadside assistance or contact law enforcement if stranded in unsafe areas. Community leaders have called on authorities to increase police visibility and patrols in crime-prone zones, especially during evening hours. Many residents say they no longer feel safe traveling after dark and are urging the government to prioritize safety for women and motorists. Local organizations are also planning a candlelight vigil to honor the victim's memory and call for justice. As the investigation continues, one haunting truth remains: she was just trying to get home, and unfortunately, her life was cut short by a stranger. With that being said, we have come to the end of today's video, and I will see you on my next episode.